Hey friends, we're here inside at Savory Grape and we've really missed having you come visit with us. We've been working really hard still. We just put up our rosé wall with some of the newest 2019 vintage rosés that have been arriving, and we're really happy to share that you too next week will be able to see them. So next week we'll be opening our doors again for you to come in. We'll share those details in the coming days as to exactly what day that will be. Of course, like other businesses, we'll have a limited number of people in at one time. And we still do encourage you to do curbside pickup and delivery. We will continue doing that even after we open our doors. Of course, we're also planning for Mother's Day, which is in 1 week. And while we know all our moms have different styles of tastes in wine, from price points to canned, to box wine, to cellar wine, we put together a really fun, jazzy selection of a mixed six-pack here for you to give to your mom to have her own tasting at home. So whether it's the six-pack, which you can see in the newsletter below, what selections we picked, or also a Wine of the Month Club feature for her she might like, and Emma would be happy to engrave a bottle for you to give with your own personal message. So thank you for your support during this whole process. We can't wait to see you, but still shop online, call us for curbside pickup and delivery. See you soon.